So the ventral and umbilical hernias, as you were explaining, so how are they treated? Like, are they laparoscopically done too, like the other inguinal hernias?
Correct. So they have, we have options, just like with inguinal hernia repair. There's always an option of laparoscopic and open repair. I think it's well accepted in our surgical societies that the application of laparoscopy and minimally invasive technology per se for example, a small umbilical hernia perhaps doesn't make sense because the hernia is small, can be repaired through a very small incision, therefore a laparoscopic approach coming from the side with 3 incisions perhaps wouldn't make much sense. Once you have larger hernias on the front, ventral hernias, incisional hernias, then we have to educate patients about the 2 options, pros and cons, and have them make a decision. A lot of this, again, smaller of the ventral hernias tend to be done open, larger ones. The challenge with a large hernia in this area is that sometimes you need a sort of medialization or bringing the tissues back to the middle that have been retracted to the side, and that by definition a lot of times it's an open procedure. So in this specific subcategories of hernias, I tend to find open approach somewhat more useful.